Have you ever wondered why, even when you try everything? Eat clean, exercise, sleep well, you still feel exhausted, disconnected, or in pain? The answer might not lie in your body, but in your heart. Deep inside, many of us are carrying emotional toxins. Unspoken grief, old anger, past betrayals, guilt, shame, fear. These emotions don't just pass through us, they settle, they linger, and over time, they start to shape our health, our energy, and our lives. What if the real path to healing your body begins by healing your heart? This is your moment of awakening. In this video, we were going to guide you through a complete emotional detox, a powerful journey that begins inside and transforms everything outside. Stay with me to the end, because I'm going to show you 3 practical and proven techniques that you can use right now to start releasing what no longer serves you. Let's begin. Your body keeps the score. It remembers everything. Every fight you avoided, every tear you held back, every smile you faked when your heart was breaking. These experiences don't just vanish, they are stored in your muscles, your nervous system, your cells. Science now confirms what ancient wisdom always knew: emotional trauma, when unprocessed, becomes physical. Headaches, stomach pain, chronic fatigue, even autoimmune conditions. Well, these aren't just medical problems, they're messages. They're your body's way of whispering, "Please listen to me." But in the noise of modern life, we've forgotten how to listen. We push through. We numb ourselves. We stay busy. But healing doesn't come from running away. It begins the moment we pause and feel. Let's talk about emotional toxicity. It's not always dramatic. Sometimes it shows up subtly. Wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. You snap at people you love without understanding why. You feel stuck, unmotivated, emotionally flat. These are warning signs, emotional overload that your body is carrying. And if you don't release it, it festers. Think of it like a closet you've been stuffing for years. Eventually it bursts. Some people experience panic attacks, others fall into depression. Some develop chronic pain or illness. But there's hope, because your body isn't broken. It's doing its best to protect you. And it's been waiting for this moment, for you to finally say, "I'm ready to let go." Healing begins the moment you choose to face what you've buried. So how does emotional healing actually work? It's not magic, it's energy. Emotions are literally energy in motion. But when you suppress them, that energy stagnates, like a river that's been dammed. That stuck energy turns into inflammation, disease, and emotional chaos. But when you allow emotions to move, they release. It starts with awareness, recognizing the emotion, then expression, finding safe, honest ways to let it out. Then comes release, intentionally letting it go. Finally, nourishment, giving yourself what you truly need: peace, safety, love. This cycle is natural. Children do it instinctively. But we as adults forget. We're taught to be strong, to hide our pain, to get over it. But that's not healing. Healing is being real, and realness sets you free. Now let me guide you through 3 emotional detox techniques that you can start today. These aren't theories. They are tools that thousands of people have used to transform their lives. The first is emotional journaling. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Ask yourself, what have I been afraid to feel? Then write. Let it all out. Don't judge. Don't edit. This is emotional vomiting on paper. Messy, honest, raw. You'll be shocked at how light you feel afterward. The second tool is EFT tapping. It's a technique where you gently tap on acupressure points while speaking affirmations. You might say, "Even though I feel this sadness, I deeply love and accept myself." It helps release stuck energy and calms your nervous system fast. The third technique is release visualization. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, imagine smoke leaving your body. That's your pain, your grief, your anger. Then breathe in golden light. Calm, clarity, healing. Do this daily, even for 5 minutes, and you'll begin to shift on a cellular level. You don't need a perfect life to heal. You don't need a guru, a retreat in Bali, or a miracle. What you need is a willingness to turn inward, to stop running from your emotions, to sit with them, listen to them, love them, because your emotions are not the enemy. They are your compass. They are your messengers. They are your truth. When you create space to feel, you create space to heal. And as you release the emotional baggage you've been carrying, your body responds. Your digestion improves. Your sleep deepens. Your anxiety quiets. Your light returns. This isn't just self-care. This is soul care, and you deserve it. There's a version of you that's already whole, already peaceful, already radiant. But it's buried under layers of pain, fear, and old stories. Emotional detox is not about becoming someone new. It's about returning to who you really are. That child inside you, who once laughed freely, who loved without fear, who felt without shame, that version of you is still here. And every breath, every release, every act of emotional honesty brings you closer to that truth. Don't wait for a breakdown to begin your healing. Begin now. Start where you are, with what you have. And trust. Your heart knows the way. If you felt something shift while watching this video, don't keep it inside. Give this video a like so more people can find this message. Subscribe to my Supermind for more healing content like this. Comment below. What emotion are you ready to release today? What story are you ready to rewrite? Share your truth, because when you speak it, you start to heal it. Remember, your heart is not broken. It's just full. And now, it's time to let go. Your healing begins. Now.